We're out here doing a little rabbit running this morning. They got a good race going right now. We're about 20 minutes into it. They jumped one right out of the box this morning. The puppies actually the ones that jumped it. The 10-month-old puppies, they running the crap out of it. We'll see what happens. They're working a checkout right now. Get back to you. So Hank, Dolly, Freckle. Honey boy, hunt him up. Well, it's been over an hour now. Then they're running the crap out of this rabbit. The puppies are firing on all their cylinders this morning. I'm standing here in a power line, trying to watch it cross. They just have crossed, and they went back up towards the driveway. It's been about a 3-minute check probably. They figured it back out and they're running now. Well, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but they own him. Puppy's gonna be some good dogs.
My money's on the little girl. Yeah, Dolly.
We just seen it cross. We're gonna see which puppy can figure it out.
If a puppy figures it out.
it's crossing over itself.
Here, he went this way. You back over in there, Charles. He went that way.
Hey, up. He came right through here somewhere. I seen it cross that road over yonder. Come on, dogs. Get up here. Come on, here he is. 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 Hunt him, dogs. Hunt him up, Job. Hunt him, boys. Hunt him now. That's the old girl. She's about 8 years old. Slower than molasses. Good puppy trainer, though. Hunt him now. Come on, get in here.